Stop! You're using Parmesan in lasagna the wrong way and it's ruining your dish. Dry, clumpy, overpowering? That's all because of one tiny mistake. But don't worry, I'll show you the right way to use Parmesan for a lasagna that's creamy, cheesy, and absolutely perfect. And trust me, once you see the final result, you'll never go back. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. To make the perfect lasagna, you'll need the usual suspects: lasagna noodles, ricotta, mozzarella, and of course, Parmesan. But, and this is a big but, not all Parmesan is created equal. If you're using the wrong type, you could be ruining your lasagna before you even start. Most people grab the pre-grated Parmesan from the store. Big mistake. That stuff has anti-caking agents that prevent proper melting. Always go for a wedge of real Parmesan and grate it fresh for the best melt and flavor. Quick question, do you use fresh Parmesan or pre-grated? Drop a comment below, I want to know. All right, let's build this lasagna. First up, the sauce. Rich, slow-cooked, and packed with flavor. Then the layering. But here's where most people completely mess up Parmesan. If you just throw Parmesan on top like that, you're doing it wrong. Instead, there's a simple trick that makes all the difference. Before I reveal the secret, take a guess in the comments. What do you think is the right way to use Parmesan in lasagna? By the way, if you love these tips, I've got 20 exclusive lasagna recipes waiting for you. Download them free below. Now let's talk about the biggest Parmesan mistakes people make and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, dumping all the Parmesan on top. This leads to a crusty, dry layer instead of a smooth, melty finish. Fix, layer it throughout your lasagna instead. Mistake number 2, using too much Parmesan. This can overpower the flavors instead of enhancing them. Fix, use a light hand. Parmesan should complement, not dominate. Mistake number 3, using the wrong type of Parmesan. Remember, pre-grated equals bad, fresh equals amazing. If you do it this way, your lasagna will have the perfect balance of flavor, creaminess, and texture. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the secret trick: mixing Parmesan into the ricotta and layering it between noodles. This way, every bite has that nutty, salty kick without overwhelming the dish. And here's one more pro tip. After baking, let your lasagna rest for 15 minutes. This keeps the layers intact and prevents a watery mess. Who's gonna try this method next time? Let me know in the comments. Now that is how you use Parmesan in lasagna. Grab my free lasagna recipe guide, 20 incredible recipes waiting for you. Link below. Want the full recipe and my best lasagna secrets? Get them here.